Hey, good morning, guys. What's going on? All right. So, yesterday we read Thank You, Ma'am. You answered some questions and you wrote about the central idea. We're going to do the same thing today, but we're going to read The Interlopers, all right? This is a great little story. Just some quick background knowledge. The Interlopers was written in 1969. It takes place in a stretch of forest land somewhere in the Carpathian Mountains of Eastern Europe. And the characters, there are really only two main characters. There is Ulrich and George, who are engaged in a feud that dates all the way back to their grandfathers. And this dispute was over a piece of land. And you could see someone made a nice little caricature of these two with guns. Lovely. All right. Now, central idea. Let's review the rules of central idea, okay? Again, avoid using the names of characters. Don't be too specific, but also don't be too generic. Don't have one-word central ideas, okay? Like love or feud would not be a central idea. Maybe what about feud would be a central idea, but not just feud. Don't include yourself. Don't include I, you. And no cliches. No, the grass is greener on the other side. And we are going to add a very important rule. Do not summarize. The central idea is not a summary. So the central idea of the story, you should not say, the central idea of the story is about two characters who are engaged in a feud. No, that's what the story is about. But that's not a central idea. That's not a lesson that we get from the story. Alright? Remember the formula for a story. You have the big idea word, the author's point, what's the message about it. That's the central idea. Alright? So maybe if we're talking about feud, what is the author saying about feud? That is how we come up with a central idea. But do not summarize. Alright? And again, check out these sentence starters. You could pause this video right now if you want to take a look at these. The central idea, The Interlopers by Saki is ... The central idea that Saki is trying to convey in the short story The Interlopers is ... In the short story The Interlopers by Saki. Oh, typo. My goodness. The central idea is that ... Alright? So good luck, guys. Remember, let's work on central idea and let's not summarize. Alright? We will be in touch. If you need any help, just reach out to any one of us.